Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a delicious jalapeno rice. So in case you guys want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 1 cup of long and rich rice, 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic or 1 garlic clove, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1/4 of a small white onion, and 1 to 2 jalapeño or serrano peppers. So these are our ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright, so first we're going to start by cutting our onion into small strips. Make sure that they're thin. So once we have our onion, we're going to cut our pepper. Now if you want your rice to be spicy, add 2 serrano peppers. So I'm just going to cut it in half. Remove the seeds if you want to. It's okay if I leave some seeds, just because of course I want to be able to taste my pepper. Okay, so once we have that, we are ready to make a rice. Alright, so in my frying pan, I'm going to set it to medium-high heat. I'm going to add my 3 tablespoons of oil. And once that heats up, we're going to add our rice. Alright, so once our oil is hot, we're going to add our rice. And now we're just going to fry it. Make sure we fry it. You do not want to burn it. So just make sure that you're mixing it constantly. Alright, so once you see that your rice turning a beautiful golden color, we're going to add our minced garlic. Okay, now we're going to add our onion and peppers. Alright, so now we're going to turn it down to the lowest setting on our stove. We're going to add our water. And our chicken bouillon. So give it a quick mix. Just like that. We're going to cover it and let it simmer for about 25 minutes. Do not open your rice or mix it. Just let it do its thing, and then we'll come back in 25 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been 25 minutes. At this point, our rice should be done. That's what it looks like. So now we're just going to turn it off. And as you can see, it's no more water in there. So I'm just going to close it and let it sit for 5 more minutes. Just move it around. And that's basically our jalapeno rice. Alrighty guys, so here we have our jalapeno rice. And I'm just going to serve it with some carne en papas with chile colorado and tortillas. So this is it. I am ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Seriously, super delicious each and every single time. And it goes perfect with anything. Even just alone like that, it's perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a super easy and delicious jalapeno rice. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami.